Hello beautiful family, almost welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing so well. Today I'm so excited to share with you this amazing and delicious snack. This is very easy to prepare and it is very spicy as well. This is KELEWELE, and the aroma this gives you when you are even walking from a far distance, you cannot run away from this aroma. It will just draw you near where they are selling this and you're going to buy some as well. So let's get started. Alright, so I have with me here my ripe plantain, and this is not all that ripe and it is best for this recipe. The very ripe plantain is not best for this recipe, guys. So to that I have some chopped onions and some ginger as well, anise seed and some rosemary. To that I have some cloves as well. I also have some nutmeg as well. So the nutmeg is totally optional, you can omit it. I also have some ground cinnamon powder, calabash nutmeg as well. To that I have some dry chili pepper and some salt to taste. Alright, so into my clean asanka over there, I'm going to add in all my spices, ginger, onions and everything, and grind until everything becomes smooth. You can use a blender if you want, but I choose to grind it. But I really find it difficult because of the calabash and the cloves. I really find it difficult grinding, but oh yeah, so if you have a blender, just go for it and don't stress yourself at all. So next I'll be slicing up my plantain into smaller pieces. I have already washed this plantain, so everything is nice and clean. And fam, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Like, comment and share this video to reach wider audience. And to my returning subscribers, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me from day one. I really appreciate. Alright, so this is the sizes I'll be going for. You can choose to slice it in bigger size if you want. It all depends on you. So if you don't want to cut your plantain in your hands, just put this on your chopping board and feel free to express yourself in your own unique way. Yes. Alright, so our blended ingredient is ready now. So we're going to add it to our plantain and we're going to marinate it for about 1 hour to marinate very well. And if you think you don't have that much time to keep this for like 1 hour or 3 hours, you can just go for 30 minutes. You are good to go. Yes, it all depends on you, but the more this keeps longer, the more it tastes good and smells good as well. So moving forward, I'll grate some nutmeg to it and also a tablespoon of my cinnamon powder, a salt to taste, and mix very well. We're going to set this aside for like 3 hours to marinate very well. And fam, because this recipe requires a lot of stirring because you want the ingredients to marinate very well, you are always advised to use the hard ripe plantain. Yes, the soft one is not best for this recipe. You might end up getting your ripe plantain falling apart, and we don't want that in this recipe. So we cover this and keep it in a cool place for like 3 hours to marinate very well. Alright, so it's been about 3 hours now, so we're going to heat up some oil. Make sure the oil is not very hot before you add in your ripe plantain, your KELEWELE. Yes, this is very spicy and I just can't wait to taste this KELEWELE. Always make sure your fire is very low before you add in your fried plantain. So we're going to fry this on low flame until it is nice and golden brown. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, this is a cooking channel. My name is Efia. You are welcome to this channel and I know you're going to love staying here. And if you haven't subscribed as well, please do it to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So now our first batch of this kelewele is ready, and just look at how golden brown it looks. It looks so perfect and very delicious as well. Alright, so we are done with this kelewele recipe, but we are not yet done because I have a surprise for you at the end of this video, so please watch to the end of this video. And guys, what do you think about this kelewele recipe? It looks so yummy and very attractive as well. So this is my surprise. I am really going to enjoy this kelewele with my peanut. It has really been peeled very well. Yes, the skin has been removed from it, and kelewele goes well with granules. You can't do away with granules in kelewele. Yes, the aroma this thing is giving me right here is something else. Thank you all so much for watching this video to this point, and if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, please do well so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed. So let me enjoy this kelewele as we wait for my next video.